Hi, welcome to the Workface. A lot of you remember our old friend, Toast Proof Smoke Alarm. That's right, we showed you guys how to unbox it. We told you all about functionality. It's now time to put it up. We're going to put this in an appropriate fitting location. It's time to hit the Workface. Where is an appropriate fitting location? Hello, up there. That's right, this is at the top of the stairs by a stair hatch. You should always fit a smoke alarm near to bedrooms. That way it will alarm anyone or awaken anyone and warn anyone if there's smoke, if there's fire, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to put it up on this hatch. This hatch actually opens up like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to form a fitting location on that side of the hatch thingy. Okay, so what do we need? We need, remember this is the fitting disc. We're going to fit the fitting disc that way up. Okay, so looking at our hatch, it's going to fit on, boom, like that. On these fitting discs, there's a couple of holes you need to punch out. So there's long bits there, and there. Okay, we need to punch those out, fit those puppies on. Okay, I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to mark it up in a central position. I'm going to drill some holes. I'll screw it up. Not screw it up in a bad way, but screw it up as in a fixing way. That's a DIY term. And we'll see how we get on. Count to 10. Don't even do that. Count to 3, because I'm going to do the counting to 10 for you. We'll have that baby fixed in the blink of an eye. Firstly, how do you pop these things out? It's pretty straightforward. Just a screwdriver. Boom, boom. Shake the room. And then down there, easy as that. Hardly applying any force whatsoever. See that? That has popped out there. That has popped out there. Now that will then be fixed to the underside and screwed in. I'll show you what that looks like right now. Holes drilled in central location. Remember these guys? These are called screws. Screw those into the holes with the plate in place first. The disc plate. These have got what they call a Phillips screw head. Phillips screwdriver, Phillips screw head. Let's screw these bad boys in. Welcome back to the Workface. All right, okay, what's happened then? What's happened here? Look at this. Disc in position. Now, I'm going to close up the hatch. I could have screwed this on first, but being a tall dude, I can sort this out later. So there, look. It's waiting now to receive this baby. We call this the Toast Proof Fire Alarm, otherwise referred to as Fire Angel. That's the ST622 model. Okay. Now, to snap this puppy in place. So, here we go. Let's see if we can do this first time. Looks like it's fitted, doesn't it? Look at that. I thought that would be... I'll never go that way. Yeah, it's fine. Of course it's fine. Right, now to press the button. Of course, we know from experience, this one's activated, it's going to absolutely kill my ears. You need appropriate head gear. So, ear protection. I found ear protection, I'm not sure it's appropriate. Turn your volume down, please, readers. Do that again. Ears intact. Smoke alarm working. We are safe from smoke, etc. Please read all instructions associated with fire, alarm, installation, etc. Remember, being safe is a safe way to be. See you next time on The Work Face.